Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Talk with Jeremy. Today we're going to be starting a little differently. As you can see, we're down here in my basement instead of in my studio. This is my manufacturing business, so this is the other side of what I do professionally. Now we have a lot of machines in here. I use a UV LED printer. We have this massive CNC machine behind me. It has a chip collector because we're actually cutting into plastic and that collects all the chips. Just the chip collector alone is probably over 90 decibels when it's running. So there's a lot of loud noises in here, and really what I think about with that is just my ears, right? My hearing. So I want to protect my hearing. Typically what I use is the Apple AirPod Pro 2. Now they are getting a little bit old, so I do need an upgrade, and instead of going with the Apple AirPod 3, I'm going to try something a little bit differently this time, right? Because they are very expensive. I wanted to see if there was a cheaper option. Now these are the Wyze Noise Cancellation headset. So what I wanted to see is over-the-ear protection is better than earbud going in the ear, right? I just wanted to see what the difference was. See if it gave better ear protection, kind of see what the sound quality is, maybe go on a hike and just see where the music quality is, those type of things, and kind of give you my honest opinion. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna jump into opening the box. So we're gonna get into the box, see what's in there, and then I'm gonna do some work down here so you can kind of see the loudness that I deal with, and then we'll talk about the different specs and stuff. But let's jump into unboxing. Okay, so today we're gonna be unboxing the Wyze active noise canceling headphones. So as you can see, it has active noise canceling, high fidelity sound, transparency mode, 20-hour playback time, clear voice pickup. It has a comfort fit, Alexa built in. We have touch control, 10-minute quick charge, device voice assistant compatible, wireless Bluetooth 5.0, and audio capable compatible as well. So let's open up the box, see what we got in here. All right, so those are looking pretty slick. Look at that. Pretty cool design. I kind of like the curve, how it comes down. Man, these are really like cushiony. It definitely feels almost like, not like a memory foam, like a squishy memory foam. So that should feel pretty comfortable on the head. And then let's open up, see what else is in here. Maybe a charging cable. Let's see. All right. Okay, so we do have the quick start guide. We have kind of a little bag for a carrying case. We have audio plug in, and then also the charging cable. So we're gonna go ahead and get these charged. We're gonna try them out, and then we'll kind of talk about it. All right. All right, so we're gonna fire up these machines so you can kind of see what I go through on a day-to-day basis, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling. As you can see, those machines are insanely loud. So let's talk a little bit more about the specs of the Wyze versus the AirPods and jump into it. All right, so let's talk a little bit more about this, right? Because really what I'm looking at is what's gonna be the best option to protect my hearing while I'm operating the CNC machine, the chip collector, the UV LED printer. Really what's gonna be the best option for me? I'm currently using the AirPod Pro 2. Should I upgrade to the AirPod Pro 3 or should I go with the Wyze, right? So let's kind of go over some of the different aspects of that. Now, when you're looking at the Apple AirPod Pro 3, it's currently going for $199. So that's 20% off of the price of $249, right? So just on Amazon, and again, we do have links down in the description that really helps our channel for us to do this, more often for you guys. So if you want to support the channel, that's the best way to do it. So $200 opposed to Wyze, which is currently at $59.98, right? For just the headphones. Now, if you want to get the black traveling case or the white traveling case with the black headphones or the white headphones, it is going to be $69.99, but that's a far cry from $200, right? Now let's compare it to what would be the actual comparable product, which would be the Apple AirPod Pro Max wireless over the ears, right? That'd be $449.99. So a big difference, and for me that didn't even kind of come into the picture, right? Because it's just so expensive. So some of the benefits, like with the Apple AirPods Pro 2, right? Let's talk about that. So you do have the H2 chip, and that is going to process noise cancellation at 48,000 times per second. So I mean that's a big deal, right? It features adaptive audio, which automatically blends active noise cancellation and transparency based off your environment. The AirPods Pro 3 is going to do the same thing, okay? The Wyze headset uses a hybrid active noise cancellation with 4 dedicated microphones to provide up to 40 decibels of noise reduction. So that's huge. 40 decibels is a lot. The AirPods Pro 2 features conversational awareness. So when you start talking, it automatically lowers your music and really enhances the voices in front of you. Okay, so it's going to pick up the voices in front of you and kind of send that to your ears. The Wyze headset features quick conversation mode. So if you touch and hold the right ear cup with your hand, it instantly lowers the music and turns on transparency, so you can talk. Now it is more manual, but it is very intuitive. Okay, so you really got to think about: do you want that adaptive music control? Do you want the conversational awareness? Is that worth the extra money for you? For me, I don't know. I don't think it is. But let's go into more details, right? So the Apple AirPods Pro 2 has a 6-hour battery life, and the Apple AirPods Pro 3 has an 8-hour battery life. The Wyze has a 20-hour continuous use battery life, right? Now with the Apple AirPods Pros, they're going to tell you with a case you get up to 30 hours, right? But that's not continuous use. It's just 6 or 8 hours of continuous use. And with the Wyze, you could also do a quick charge of like 10 minutes and you get an extra 4 hours. So I think the Wyze kind of beats out the AirPods Pros with that as well. So now for the audio, junkie, really the better choice for clarity maybe and instrumental separation would be the Apple AirPods Pros. Okay, so I won't argue that. However, if you do like the lower bass, the Wyze is going to beat out the Apple AirPods Pros every day of the week. Okay, so this does have kind of the lower bass, and one of the benefits you have with the Wyze over the AirPods Pros is you have control over the sound. So a major advantage Wyze has is the custom EQ in their app. So while Apple basically decides for you how your music should sound, with the Wyze you can go in and manually adjust the bass, the mids, and the highs with that custom equalizer in the app. So that is one of the benefits that you have with this. You can really adjust those and decide where you want the levels to be to get the best sound quality for you, instead of letting Apple pick that for you. So one of the benefits for me was that as well. Now let's talk about decibels, okay? Because that's really my passion in determining this, is what's going to protect my ears the best, right? So with Apple, the claimed peak reduction for the Pro 2, Pro 3 is 35 decibels. The Wyze Noise Cancellation Headphones, 40 decibels. So it actually tops the AirPods Pros, right? Now the average reduction for the AirPods Pro 2 is 27. For the 3, it's 30. For the Wyze Noise Cancellation Headphones, it's 30 to 35. So, for me, in terms of what I'm really looking for, where it's protecting my ears, protecting my hearing, I believe that the Wyze is kind of the clear choice, right? So, I mean, the pros you have with this, I mean, look at how cushy this is. It is so cushy, so plush. It feels very good on the ears, feels very good on the head. So if you do have it on your head, it's going to feel very comfortable. If you have it raised up a little bit, it's still going to be comfortable with the ears. It's not going to give you that ear fatigue like some of them do. Now, battery life, 20 hours opposed to 6 to 8. The price is definitely better for the Wyze. You can control the sound. You control the highs, the lows, the mids. So I have a lot of pros about it. Don't have a lot of cons about the Wyze Noise Cancellation headset. The only thing I can really say maybe as a con is the bulkiness of it, right? So if I'm going on a trip, do I want to carry this opposed to being able to put earpods in my pocket? That's kind of where the con comes in, because this is very bulky. I did see some people say, just in some of my research, that the ears can get warm. I haven't experienced that yet. I used it for about 4 hours yesterday, and I didn't have that where it made my ears warm. So, you know, not a big downside for me, but yeah, I mean, that's our honest opinion about the differences. And really, you know, in terms of what I'm looking for, I believe the Wyze Noise Cancellation headset is going to give me what I need. I don't need to upgrade to the Apple AirPods Pro 3. This is going to get the job done for me, you know, quite well. So if you do like the content that we put out and, you know, the opinions that we give, we ask you to, you know, hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell, know when we come out, you know, with new videos. As always, look down in our description. You know, we're going to have some Amazon links in there that's going to help us with some affiliate commissions, keep on doing what we're doing. But we really appreciate you. We really do like making these videos for you. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.